And many ancient civilizations had solved quadratics thousands of years earlier. Today, anyone who's passed 8th grade knows the general solution. It's minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But most people just plug and chug into this formula, completely oblivious to the geometry that ancient mathematicians used to derive it. You know, back in those days, mathematics wasn't written down in equations. It was written with words and pictures. Take, for example, the equation x squared plus 26x equals 27. Ancient mathematicians would think of the x squared term like a literal square with sides of length x. And then 26x, well, that would be a rectangle with one side of length 26 and the other side of length x. And these two areas together add to 27. So how do we figure out what x is? Well, we can take this 26x rectangle and cut it in half. So now I have two 13x rectangles. And I can position them so the new shape I create is almost a square. It's just missing this section down here. But I know the dimensions of this section, it's just 13 by 13. So I can complete the square by adding in a 13 by 13 square. Now, since I've added 13 squared or 169 to the left-hand side of the equation, I also have to add 169 to the right-hand side of the equation to maintain the equality. So now I have this larger square with sides of length x plus 13, and it is equal to 196. Now the square root of 196 is 14. So I know that the sides of this square have length 14, which means